Hello folks, welcome to Kia of Everett. My name is Doug Shy, and I'm here today to show you the EV6 and the remote smart parking feature. One of the things that you can do with the nice new EV6 is that you can take the key fob and you can actually remotely start the vehicle and move it out of its stall to get into the vehicle and drive it away. So first have to hit the lock button, then you hold down the start feature. The lights come on, acknowledging that the vehicle is ready. And then you step aside from the front of the vehicle and you hit the button on the side of the fob here that says forward. And you wait, and the vehicle will start to pull itself out of the stall. And then as soon as you let your finger off the button, the car stops. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the self-parking assistance from inside the vehicle. I am about ready to pull up near some open stalls to pull the car into, and as we get close to it, I'm going to see that there's an open stall up here, and I'm near that side where the stall is. I'm going to hold down the camera button. It's going to bring up the radar feature, and then it gives you the message to now proceed slowly past the stall, which I'm doing now. And it will eventually tell us to stop. And now we hit the park button and we get out of the vehicle at this point in time. But as you can see, there's a couple selections up here on the screen, and it's this one here giving you the indication that it's going to back into the stall to our right, which is what we want. So now we're going to get out and we're going to use the fob once again to back the vehicle into the stall. Okay, so we just got out of the vehicle and we're going to use the fob. Notice there's forward button and a back button on the side here. And we're going to use the back up button to begin the self-parking feature. And you just hold this button down and let the car do its own little thing at this point. Throughout this process, I have not done anything except hold down the button. And there we go. It has brought itself to a stop, and as you can see, it's done a pretty good job of parking itself in the stall. All right, well, that was the Kia EV6 2022. If you have any questions about the self-parking feature, please let us know and we'll be happy to demonstrate.